Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a set of smoker wood chips, and I'm going to show you guys it. It is a set of 12 GIHOP, good addition to your bar. Oh, there we go. Here's information about it. It says our glasses are all hand blown, so there we go. So let's see what we got in here. So we have a little spoon. Oh, this is what the box looks like here. They come a bunch of little ones packed in here. So we have all our different kinds here. We have orange. I'm going to try all these. Everything smells good here. We'll look at this and stuff and see. It smells like orange, and it's got a little packet, one of those little packets that keeps it dry. We have orange, we have cinnamon. Wow, that's got a really strong, good flavor of cinnamon, the smell of cinnamon. It'll make anything taste like cinnamon. Oak. I'm gonna guess this will be fairly oaky. Not a lot of smell to it. Maybe when it burns, it'll have more of an oak smell, or maybe that cinnamon just got all the way up in my nose. We have apple. Smells a little bit woody. So there's the apple. Man, there's a lot in here. Oh, I guess there's 12. So this is peach. That one's got a little bit of smell to it, and it'll smell differently when it's burned too. This is for like smoking, so when you put it in your smoker, and it'll get into your like whiskey drink and stuff. But I'm just gonna smell all these for here. This is beech. Smells like a beech tree, not the beech, a beech tree. B-E-E-C-H, ginger. So I know what ginger. Probably gonna smell like ginger. Wow, that's got a strong smell of ginger too. That one's almost got as much smell as like the cinnamon does. We have pear. It does smell a little bit fruity on the on there. They got all sorts of different little tree pieces and parts here. Okay, pecan. I say pecan. Some people say pecan, I think. Here in Texas, they say pecan, maybe. Walnut. I don't really smell it, but I know when I'm woodworking, the walnut has a lot of smell, so probably just once it gets cooking, it'll have a lot of smell to it. Cherry. Good cherry tree smell. Yeah, it's got some smell of cherry. We're trying them all here. I only got, I think, one more left. And mesquite. So this is going to be mesquite wood. That's a lot of that here in Texas. Don't smell too much. Some of them are stronger than others, but I'm sure it'll all smell differently as they burn and stuff. But these are nice little canisters. These are great. It'll look great on a bar. You can have them stacked up. And when you need to do them, you got the little spoon, so you can scoop out a little bit and put it in your smoker and get a nice flavor added to your whiskeys and stuff. So totally awesome thing. Thumbs up.